Hey everyone! In a market where smartphones are increasingly becoming premium devices with cutting-edge features, the $150 price range has somewhat lost its former glory. However, there's still a significant demand for budget-friendly options that provide solid performance and practical features. The Vivo Y37 Pro, part of Vivo's Y series, targets this segment with a well-balanced combination of design, durability, and functionality, making it an attractive choice for those seeking value for money. At first glance, the Vivo Y37 Pro stands out with its elegant design, which belies its affordable price. The phone's flat body design is clean and minimalistic, avoiding unnecessary embellishments while emphasizing an aesthetically pleasing shape. Rounded corners and smooth transitions contribute to its sleek appearance, with the lens area blending seamlessly into the overall design, resembling a miniature version of the phone itself. The back cover, crafted with advanced coding technology, offers a visual experience reminiscent of a sea of flowers. The body appears as a single plane, but clever processing around the edges creates a 3D transition effect through light refraction. This attention to detail adds a touch of sophistication, making the phone feel more premium than its price tag suggests. Weighing in at 199 grams and measuring 8.09 millimeters in thickness, the Vivo Y37 Pro is both comfortable to hold and easy to carry. The right-angled sides and metallic finish add a sense of durability, while the strategically placed power button, which doubles as a fingerprint sensor, ensures ease of use. Although left-handed users might find the button placement less intuitive, the fingerprint recognition is quick and accurate. The front of the Vivo Y37 Pro is dominated by a 6.68-inch LCD panel, boasting a high refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. This ensures smooth scrolling and a responsive touch experience, which is particularly beneficial for social media browsing and light gaming. The screen's brightness, which can reach up to 723.7 nits, makes it easily readable even under direct sunlight. One of the standout features of the display is its TÜV Rheinland low blue light certification. This reduces eye strain during prolonged use, especially in low light conditions. Whether you're catching up on your favorite shows before bed or browsing through social media, the screen remains comfortable to view. Durability is another area where the Vivo Y37 Pro shines. With IP64 level protection, the phone is resistant to dust and can handle splashes, making it a practical choice for everyday use. The ability to operate the phone with wet hands adds to its convenience, ensuring that accidental spills or sweaty palms won't hinder its performance. Battery life is a critical factor for budget-conscious buyers, and the Vivo Y37 Pro doesn't disappoint. Equipped with a large 6,000 mAh battery, it offers exceptional longevity, easily lasting through a full day of heavy use. In our tests, the phone consumed only 12% of its battery during 3 hours of intensive use, which included browsing social media and watching online videos. This suggests that the Vivo Y37 Pro can comfortably last 24 hours on a single charge, making it ideal for users who are always on the go. When it comes to recharging, the phone supports 44-watt wired fast charging. Although it may not be as fast as some higher-end models, it still offers respectable speeds, reaching 37% in 30 minutes and 100% in just over 80 minutes. Given its impressive battery life, this is more than sufficient for most users. Under the hood, the Vivo Y37 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 processor. Whether you're browsing social media, streaming videos, or playing light games, the phone handles it all with ease. The Vivo Y37 Pro also offers 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, providing ample space for apps, photos, and videos. This storage capacity is more than sufficient for most users, and the 8 GB RAM ensures smooth multitasking and responsiveness. Vivo has equipped the Y37 Pro with AI features that enhance both text and image processing. The phone's AI-driven photo processing capabilities are particularly noteworthy, allowing users to remove unwanted objects from their photos with ease. The 50-megapixel primary camera on the back and the 5-megapixel front camera deliver decent results, particularly in well-lit conditions. While it may not compete with flagship models, the camera setup is more than capable of handling everyday photography needs. The Vivo Y37 Pro is a testament to the fact that budget smartphones can still offer a well-rounded experience. With its durable design, impressive battery life, and sufficient performance for everyday tasks, it remains a strong contender in the $150 price range. For those who prioritize practicality and value over the latest tech features, the Vivo Y37 Pro is an excellent choice that won't disappoint. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave your thoughts in the comments. Have a nice day, and see you soon.